A flexible calculator application for Android is a versatile tool designed to perform a wide range of calculations, catering to various user needs. It typically features a user-friendly interface that allows for easy navigation and accessibility, making it suitable for users of all ages. This type of calculator can handle basic arithmetic operations, complex mathematical functions, and even advanced calculations like calculus or statistics, which is particularly beneficial for students and professionals alike. Additionally, the application often includes customizable features such as different themes, units of measurement, and the ability to save calculation history, which enhances user experience. Some versions may also integrate additional functionalities like graph plotting or financial calculations, making it suitable for various fields, including engineering, finance, and education. The flexibility of this calculator ensures that it can adapt to different contexts, whether for academic purposes, engineering tasks, or everyday budgeting. Overall, it serves as an essential tool for anyone who requires robust computational capabilities on the go, providing both convenience and efficiency in a single application.